It's pretty common to hear people say they aren't happy with their 9 to 5 jobs. In fact, studies show that a significant percentage of employees, about 60% to 70% according to some surveys, aren't satisfied with their work-life balance or simply find themselves uninspired. A 2022 Gallup report found that many workers are facing high levels of stress and unhappiness. In the US alone, 50% of workers felt stressed at work, 41% felt worried, 22% felt sad, and 18% felt angry. And let's be honest, it's easy to think of a 9 to 5 job as boring or limiting. We've all heard the same old complaints: the early mornings, the rush hour traffic, and the dreaded Monday blues. But here's the thing. What if I told you that a 9 to 5 job actually comes with some surprising benefits that often go unnoticed? Benefits that could make you rethink just how bad that office routine actually is. So, before you dismiss that 9 to 5 life entirely, you need to watch this video. In today's video, we're going to show you 7 of the unbelievable benefits of a 9 to 5 job. By the end of this video, you might just realize that there are some serious upsides to having that steady job, and who knows, you might start appreciating it a little more. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on the valuable insights we share in future videos. Alright, let's get started from the first benefit of a 9 to 5 job, which is having less responsibility. You see, a lot of people often say that working for someone else means you're just building someone else's dream, or even that it feels like you're living for someone else. But let's put a different perspective on it. While it's true that you're helping achieve a bigger vision, it comes with a lot of perks that often get overlooked. When you're working for a company, you're getting paid, and you don't carry the weight of that business on your shoulders. Think of people like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. Sure, they have tons of freedom now, but they also have a level of responsibility that most of us can't even imagine. Even Elon Musk have to sleep on his office sofa. People at the helm are responsible for thousands of employees, business decisions, and the future of entire industries. And if their business fails, they lose a lot. Their reputation, their wealth, and their peace of mind are all at stake. On the other hand, as a salaried employee, you don't take those kinds of risks. You get paid whether the business succeeds or struggles. If the company doesn't do well, sure, you might need to find a new job, but you don't lose everything. You're not taking financial losses or dealing with the stress of shareholders breathing down your neck. Plus, when you're not the one in charge, you also don't have to make the really tough calls. You don't need to answer difficult questions or worry about making decisions that impact millions of people. Think about Mark Zuckerberg. Every time he makes a decision, it affects over 2.7 billion users. That's a huge amount of pressure. But as an employee, you can just focus on doing your job well without all that weight on your shoulders. A 9 to 5 job allows you to work hard during your set hours, but without the need to exhaust yourself or lose sleep over whether a project will succeed or fail. This is a type of freedom that many entrepreneurs simply don't have. They are always on, constantly thinking about the next step, and that creates a huge mental burden. So having less responsibility can actually be a great thing. It means you can enjoy your work, learn, grow, and still have time to relax and do the things you love outside of work. You get the stability of a paycheck without the constant stress that comes with running the show. The next benefit of a 9 to 5 job is that companies often treat their employees well. There is a famous quote from Richard Branson, founder of Virgin Group. Clients do not come first, employees come first. If you take care of your employees, they will take care of the clients. This is exactly what good companies strive for. They know that by keeping you happy, they can achieve their goals, and you get to enjoy a comfortable, supportive workplace. Of course, not every company is perfect, but many organizations understand that keeping their workers happy is key to success. They know that happy employees are more productive, and keeping talent means creating a positive work environment. Companies are not just competing for the best talent with salaries, but also with perks and a good work culture. For example, companies like Google and Apple are famous for their incredible employee benefits, like free meals, flexible hours, and fun workplace activities. Even companies that aren't as big as Google still offer great perks. Things like paid time off, health benefits, development opportunities, and a positive team environment. Think of it like this. When the company cares about your well-being, you end up with a work environment that's enjoyable. You get to work in a place that values your input, offers you opportunities to grow, and makes you feel like a valued part of the team. It's a win-win situation. You get the benefits of a great work culture, and the company gets more committed and motivated employees. So, a 9-to-5 job in a good company means more than just a paycheck. It means being part of a community where your well-being is valued, where you have support, and where you can thrive without the stress of running everything yourself. That's a pretty big benefit that makes the daily routine much more rewarding. The next benefit of a 9-to-5 job is structured routine. A 9-to-5 schedule helps create a more organized and sustainable way of living. Having set work hours means you can plan your day better, and it provides a clear boundary between work and personal life. This structure can be comforting because it helps you stay productive while still allowing you to complete your tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Knowing that you have a set start and end time for work allows you to focus better during work hours and fully enjoy your personal time afterward. It's about finding a rhythm that works for you, getting up, going to work, and then having time to relax or do the things you love once the workday is done. Think of famous people who value routine, like Tim Cook, CEO of Apple. He starts his day at 4:30 a.m., and this consistent routine helps him stay productive and focused. Having a predictable schedule is something that can help you achieve your own goals, whether it's at work or in your personal life. A lot of us go through so many different things every day, and having a structured work schedule can be a real anchor. It provides stability in a world that often feels chaotic. It also helps create a healthy work-life balance, so you don't feel like work is taking over every aspect of your life. Instead, you know when to work and when to switch off, which is essential for your mental well-being. A structured routine also means that you can make the most out of your free time. When you know your work hours, you can plan your evenings or weekends with more certainty, whether it's spending time with family, exercising, or just relaxing. This kind of balance can lead to a happier, healthier lifestyle. The next benefit of a 9-to-5 job is having clear work-life boundaries. A 9-to-5 schedule helps you set solid boundaries between your professional life and your personal life. When the workday ends, you can disconnect from work responsibilities and focus on other important aspects of life, whether that's spending time with family and friends, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing. Having clear boundaries is crucial for maintaining mental well-being. When work stays at work, you get the chance to recharge, reduce stress, and enjoy life outside the office. This separation between work and home means that you can give your best during work hours, knowing that you'll have time afterward to rest and do the things that make you happy. Think about how important this is for mental health. When you have time to step away from work, you can return the next day feeling more refreshed and focused. Many successful people understand the value of switching off. Take Bill Gates, for instance. He has shared how important it is for him to take time to think, read, and unwind. By having work-life boundaries, you protect your mental health and ensure that work stress doesn't consume every aspect of your life. Work-life boundaries also mean better quality time with loved ones. When you're not constantly thinking about work, you can be more present with family and friends. You can engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment, whether that's cooking, going for a walk, or enjoying a favorite hobby. This balance is key to a happier and more satisfying life. A 9-to-5 job allows you to know exactly when work starts and ends, which gives you the freedom to plan your personal time without interruptions. They help you keep work in its place, allowing you to enjoy the rest of your life without the constant pressure to be always on. It's a benefit that helps you stay healthy, happy, and productive in both your professional and personal life. The next benefit of a 9-to-5 job is stability. Having a 9-to-5 schedule means you can rely on a steady income, which brings a sense of security and peace of mind. Knowing that you have a predictable paycheck allows you to plan your life better, whether it's budgeting for monthly expenses, saving for the future, or simply feeling confident about paying your bills on time. This kind of financial stability reduces stress and helps create a solid foundation for a balanced life. When you know when work starts and ends, you can organize your time more effectively. You have the freedom to schedule family activities, social events, and personal hobbies without the fear of unpredictable work hours getting in the way. It gives you control over your time and makes everyday life flow more smoothly. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, often talks about the importance of having a stable foundation in life. He once said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Stability in a job is like planting that tree. It provides shade, comfort, and a solid base for your future. Stability also allows you to set and work towards long-term goals. Whether it's buying a home, going on a vacation, or investing in personal growth, a stable job gives you the confidence to plan for the future. You're not constantly scrambling to make ends meet, which means you can focus on the bigger picture and what truly brings you joy. A stable 9-to-5 job also means fewer surprises when it comes to your schedule. You know your work hours, and that predictability helps you maintain a healthy balance. It's much easier to plan your life when you know what to expect each day, which in turn makes you feel more grounded and less stressed. The next benefit of a 9-to-5 job is access to resources and support. Oprah Winfrey once said, "Surround yourself only with people who are going to lift you higher." In a good work environment, the resources and support provided by the company do just that. They lift you higher and help you grow. In fact, one of the great things about working for a company is that you don't have to go it alone. You have a whole team around you that you can turn to for help. If you need administrative assistance, there's usually someone who can handle the paperwork. If you need specific tools or technology, most companies provide what you need to get the job done. This means you can focus on doing your best work without worrying about every little detail. Companies also provide opportunities for professional growth. Many offer training programs, mentorship, or even cover the cost of further education. These resources are designed to help you grow in your career and develop new skills. Think of it like having a support system that wants you to succeed. Having access to resources and support also means you have benefits like health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans. These benefits can make a huge difference in your quality of life, providing security and peace of mind that you might not have otherwise. They're part of the overall support system that comes with a 9-to-5 job, allowing you to take care of yourself and your family. Finally, the last benefit of a 9-to-5 job in today's video is the collaborative environment. Steve Jobs once said, "Great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people." That's the magic of a collaborative environment. You're not just relying on your own skills, but also benefiting from the knowledge and experience of everyone around you. When you work a regular 9-to-5, you're part of a team with colleagues and other professionals. This kind of environment allows for face-to-face interactions, meetings, and shared work hours, all of which help build better communication and teamwork. Working with others means you get the chance to learn from different perspectives, share ideas, and problem solve together. Collaboration is a big part of any successful workplace, and having colleagues around you can make the workday much more enjoyable. You're not working alone, you're part of a team, and that means there's always someone to bounce ideas off of, someone to help when you need it, and people who can give you feedback to make your work even better. A collaborative environment also means building connections that can be valuable throughout your career. When you work closely with others, you're not just learning from them, you're also creating relationships that can lead to future opportunities. These connections are part of what makes a 9-to-5 job rewarding. You're not only working towards shared goals, but you're also building a network of people who can support you in the long run. And there you have it, the top 7 benefits of a 9-to-5 job that often get overlooked. It's not just about the paycheck, it's about the opportunities for growth, the people you meet, and the balance you can create in your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need a new perspective on their 9-to-5 job. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.